Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we bring you details of Wipro Q4 earnings and also latest update on cement sector. Let's first take a look at Wipro Q4 earnings. Wipro reported in-line constant currency revenue performance while operating margin remained ahead of our expectation even after absorbing the impact of wage hike. Management guided strong constant currency revenue growth of 2 to 4% quarter-on-quarter for Q1 FY22, which translates to 11 to 14% year-on-year growth in Q1. The guidance given is also better than our expectations. Company closed 12 large deals with TCV, that is total contract value of $1.4 billion. As a result, total TCVs during second half FY21 increased 33% year-on-year to $7.1 billion, which indicates Wipro's aggressive focus on large deals to boost growth. With strong deal wins, participation in strong demand and strategic acquisition, Wipro is well positioned to reduce the gap in growth rate with large peers in FY22. Cement sector update. As per analyst channel check, Pan-India cement prices rose sharply by 4.3% month-on-month in April 21, with East and South region witnessing 12% and 5% month-on-month rise respectively. Demand environment remained strong, as can be seen from cement volume transported through rail rising by 19% quarter-on-quarter in Q4 FY21. Key input costs like pet coke and diesel show marginal to declining trend month-on-month in April. Second COVID wave led many states implementing restrictions. COVID-led lockdowns likely to affect trade volume at least for 15 days of April, while non-trade to have a marginal impact due to better preparedness as compared to the start of corona crisis last year. We remain positive on sectors as structural drivers remain intact despite near-term COVID challenges. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.